welcome to our special election show, State of War Bengal. I'm Paulami Saha, and the top story that we're tracking this afternoon is the Election Commission's heat on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her appeal to Muslim voters to stay united and not let their vote be split. Now, the Election Commission has sent a notice to West Bengal Chief Minister to, in fact, respond to them and give an explanation to them to, in fact, respond within the next 48 hours after a notice which has been sent to her asking her to provide an explanation on comments which she made during an election rally last week in Tarkeshwar. In fact, the notice has been sent on a BJP complaint. The Saffron Party has alleged that Mamata's appeal was an open demand for votes on communal grounds. The Election Commission has given 48 hours notice to Mamata Banerjee to submit her explanation, following which it will take further decision. Now, this comes days after Prime Minister Modi targeted Mamata Banerjee for her appeal to Muslim voters, saying this shows that Mamata Banerjee has lost the trust of Muslims also.
আমাদের কাছে হাত জোর করে একটা কথা বলবো, ওই শয়তান ছেলেটা যেটা বেরিয়েছে বিজেপির টাকা নিয়ে, ওইটার কথা শুনে সংখ্যালঘু ভোট ভাগ করেন না। ও অনেক সাম্প্রদায়িক কথা বলে, ও হিন্দু মুসলমানের মধ্যে লাগায়, ও বিজেপির আরেকটা সাকরেদ, একেবারে বিজেপির কমরেড। বিজেপি কমরেড সিপিএম আর বিজেপিকে মিলে বিজেপির টাকা নিয়ে বেরিয়েছে যাতে সংখ্যালঘু ভোটটা ভাগ হয়ে যায়। প্লিজ দয়া করে করতে দেবেন না।
आदरणीय दीदी, ओ दीदी, अभी हाल में ही आपने कहा, देखिए एक महत्वपूर्ण बात है, अभी हाल ही में आपने कहा कि सभी मुसलमान एक हो जाओ, वोट बंटने मत दो। दीदी, आप ये कह रही है, इसका मतलब है कि आपको यकीन हो गया है कि मुस्लिम वोट बैंक की आपकी जो ताकत आप मानती थी, वो मुस्लिम वोट बैंक भी आपके हाथ से निकल गया है। मुस्लिम भी आपसे दूर हो गए हैं। आपको पब्लिकली ऐसा कहना पड़ रहा है, इसी से पता चलता है कि आप इलेक्शन हार गई है।
Right, breaking news that's coming in right now. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has responded to the EC notice. She has in fact stated that you can keep sending 10 notices, but it won't help. I will say what I have to say, that in fact there should be no division of votes. Mamata Banerjee says she wants Hindus and Muslims to vote for her. She says filing of complaints against her is of no use. What has been done? She asked about the complaints against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, Mamata Banerjee has just spoken out in a rally in Domjur, Howrah, launching a scathing attack against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen in.
আমরা বলি আগে দিল্লি সামলা, তারপরে দেখিস বাংলা। বাংলা কোনোদিনও হবে না, কোনোদিনও বাংলা তোমাদের হবে না। এটা রবীন্দ্র নজরুলের বাংলা, নেতাজির বাংলা, দেশবন্ধুর বাংলা, রাজা রামমোহন রায়ের বাংলা, বিরসা মুন্ডার বাংলা, আম্বেদকরের বাংলা, গান্ধীজির ভালোবাসার বাংলা। এ বাংলা বিজেপি তোমরা পাবে না। মানে বাংলা কা মেরুদণ্ড হচ্ছে, বাংলার মেরুদণ্ড ভেঙে দেবো, অত সহজ? বাংলার মেরুদণ্ডের সাথে একটু লড়ে দেখ না, একটু লড়ে দেখবি, পাঞ্জা কষবি। অনেক সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স এসছে, সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সকে তো আমি তো রেসপেক্ট করি, কিন্তু আমি ওই কমান্ডান্টদের রেসপেক্ট করি না যিনি বিজেপির হয়ে গিয়ে এলাকায় মা বোনদের পেটান, ভয় দেখান, আর গিয়ে বলে ভোট দেনে মাপ যাও। একটাও শুনবেন না, কিছু বললে চুপচাপ থাকবেন, পরের দিন সব লাইন বেঁধে ভোটটা দেবেন, একটা ভোটও নষ্ট করবেন না।
In fact, in another face-off that is brewing between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Trinamool Congress in battleground Bengal, now the TMC has alleged that BJP supporters were handed out cash coupons worth 1,000 rupees in order to attend Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally on 1st April in South 24 Parganas district. The TMC says that the coupons, which had Prime Minister Modi's image on them, in fact were a vote appeal being made by the Saffron Party. Here's the detailed report.
Money coupons have replaced hard cash in Bengal polls, if the TMC is to be believed. The TMC claims the BJP distributed coupons worth 1,000 rupees each to locals at Redigi in the South 24 Parganas. It says the coupon was an inducement to attend PM Modi's rally there on 1st April.
কালকে শুনেছি রায়দিঘিতে একটা করে কুপন দিয়েছে 1000 টাকা করে পাবে ভোট দিলে ওদের বলুন 15 লক্ষ টাকা করে যে দেবে বলেছিলে আগে 15 লক্ষ টাকার হিসাব দাও তারপরে 1000 টাকা দিও ওটা তো আমার টাকা যতক্ষণ 15 লক্ষ টাকা না হবে তোমাকে টাকা দিতে হবে কিন্তু টাকা দিয়ে ভোট দেবেন না
As Mamta was pulled up by the Election Commission on Wednesday, TMC MP Mahua Moitra asked if the poll panel would also look into the complaints made against the BJP. The BJP rubbished the TMC's cash coupon claims.
The Prime Minister openly asked the people that this is the allegation against you, that you have come here for money. Is it right? Everybody was angry there. And they are ready to reply through the ballot. This is an insult to the people of Bengal. This is a fit case for an inquiry.
যে একটা কুপন বিলিকে কেন্দ্র করে বলে যে অভিযোগ ছিল এই কুপনটা হলো আমাদের নরেন্দ্র মোদী মিটিংয়ে যাওয়ার কুপন যে কুপনটা আমরা ওই জয়নগরে নরেন্দ্র মিটিংয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য গাড়ি ভাড়ার জন্য কুপন দিয়েছিলাম এবং এই কুপনটা হলো আপনার ওই পগ মিল স্টেডিয়ামে যে ভ্যান ভাড়ার কুপন তা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিটা এমন একটি পার্টি এই পার্টিটা কোনো ব্যক্তিকে টাকা দিয়ে এই পার্টি কিনতে হয় না সাধারণ লোক স্বেচ্ছায় এই পার্টিটা করে
Parties handing out cash to lure voters is the worst kept secret in Indian elections. But coupons to be exchanged for money is a new tactic. But first, the TMC will have to prove its claim.
Mamta Banerjee found the perfect opportunity during her Women's Day rally and also brought up the slogan of Bangla Nijer Meke Chai, or Bengal wants its own daughter. And when it came to the BJP, they hit out at the Trinamool Congress, saying that at least in Uttar Pradesh there was swift action taken when there were crimes against women, which was not seen in West Bengal. With camera person Abhishek, Prema Rajaram in Kolkata for India Today.
Right, my colleague Indrajit Kundu is now joining us live from Kolkata on this story. Indrajit, the very serious charge which is being leveled by the TMC against the Bharatiya Janata Party, now they have presented, in fact, those coupons which they say were handed out to supporters in order to attend Prime Minister Modi's rally. How is the BJP responding to this allegation?
Well, that's right. We haven't really heard from the BJP so far, but the Trinamool Congress is taking this allegation very, very seriously. They have placed this before the Election Commission and they want the Election Commission to act at this point in time. In fact, Paulami, this is in response, one would say, to the kind of notice that the Election Commission has now served to the Trinamool Congress. In fact, to the Trinamool Congress Supremo over her comments, over her remarks in recent campaign rallies. The Trinamool Congress, of course, hitting back. Mamta Banerjee just a short while back spoke at Dumurjala Stadium in Howrah, where she said that she has not said anything wrong and she would say the same thing again and again. But the Trinamool going on the offensive right now at a time when the Election Commission has showcased Mamta Banerjee. The Trinamool Congress, on the other hand, is hitting out at the Election Commission, highlighting the fact that there are 1,500 queries and complaints that have been sent to the Election Commission. However, the Commission seemed to have responded to only 3 out of those complaints that the Trinamool Congress has given. However, every time there is a BJP delegation or BJP complaint that has been sent to the Election Commission has been very prompt in their response. response, and they're referring to the show cause notice the so forth has been sent to Mamata Banerjee. So clearly, the Trinamool Congress now on the offensive over the role of the Election Commission as well, and specifically targeting the BJP over this cash for vote allegation that they have levelled.
Right. Indrajit, thank you so much for joining us with all of those developments. Now, shifting focus, Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh was allegedly attacked in Sitalkuchi of Cooch Behar district yesterday with bricks and bombs. These are the claims which have been levelled by the BJP president of West Bengal state unit. He, in fact, has gone on to say that the attack took place after he was leaving from Sitalkuchi after having attended a rally over there. Now, according to the BJP, the windows of Dilip Ghosh's car were allegedly smashed by TMC workers. In a video of the incident shared by Dilip Ghosh, it can be seen that even the window on his side of the car was broken. Dilip Ghosh also alleged that a brick hit him during the attack. Now, the Election Commission has asked the state government to file a report on the incident within 24 hours. BJP leaders also protested outside the Election Commission's office in Kolkata. Member of Parliament Soumitra Khan said that Mamata Banerjee is instigating violence and that she should be arrested.
সবার মধ্যে আক্রমণ সবার পরে বম বন্দুক নিয়ে আক্রমণ আমার গাড়িতে কমপক্ষে দুটো বম লেগেছে আমার পাশে এখানে সামনে জানলার কাঁচ ভেঙে গুঁড়ো হয়ে গেছে পুরো আধলা ইট আমার হাতে এসে লেগেছে এবং আমার পুরো গায়ে কাঁচ ভর্তি হয়ে গেছে মাঠের মাঝখানে আমরা দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম গাড়ি নিয়ে যেসব লোক চলে গেল তারপর আমরা যাব সেই সময় চারদিক থেকে লাঠি নিয়ে পিস্তল নিয়ে বম নিয়ে আক্রমণ হাতে টিএমসি ঝান্ডা নিয়ে আক্রমণ হয়েছে এ তো একেবারে তালিবানদের মতো অবস্থা মানুষের জীবনের কোনো সুরক্ষা নেই
ममता बनर्जी बार बार दिलीप घोष के ऊपर अटैक करा रहा है तृणमूल कांग्रेस कर्मी को उतारा हम लोग चाहते हैं जो आज टेररिस्ट है आज जो ममता दिलीप घोष के ऊपर आक्रमण किया है उसी को अरेस्ट होना चाहिए और ममता बनर्जी को भी अरेस्ट करना चाहिए ममता बनर्जी के कारण ये वायलेंस हो रहा है पश्चिम बंगाल पे कोई कैंडिडेट के ऊपर अत्याचार कोई मर्डर सब ममता बनर्जी के कारण पे हो रहा है तो उसी को अरेस्ट होना चाहिए
In fact, staying the BJP actor and BJP leader Mithun Chakraborty's road show and his participation in a rally in Behala was in fact denied today because the police denied him permission to in fact be at the rally. BJP supporters in fact protested outside the police station in Behala demanding permission for their star campaigners rally. Mithun was supposed to campaign for BJP's Behala East and West, constituency candidates actresses Payal Sarkar and Shravanti Chatterjee. However, with permission not being granted, Mithun Chakraborty expressed his disappointment and said that those creating chaos are being given a free run in the state otherwise.
Sir, I don't understand. Amra Kotai. I have finished almost 37 campaign today. Till now it will be 41. I have Kotai देखें. Where did you see? कहाँ देखा आपने कि हमारी तरफ से किधर भी कोई इतनी सी भी बात है जो हिंसा पैदा करे? ये सब तो उस तरफ से आ रहा है. तो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का प्रॉब्लम किधर है हमारी तरफ से? बट हमको जानना है क्या कॉज क्या है कि आप कैंसिल कर रहे हैं.
Now, in yet another setback for West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, her nephew and Member of Parliament Abhishek Banerjee's name has cropped up in an ED remand note in relation to the coal smuggling case. Here's the detailed report.
A name that is frequently cropping up.
An extortionist who's close to Abhishek Banerjee was sitting next to the commissioner and making illegal demands.
सबको मालूम है एक कुल स्मगलिंग सैंड स्मगलिंग स्टोन स्मगलिंग और काऊ तस्करी गाय का तस्करी इस सभी में गोलाबाज भाईपो और उसकी एसोसिएट सब जुड़ा हुआ है
अभिषेक बनर्जी का सोर्स ऑफ इनकम क्या है कि इतना आलीशान मकान ठोक लिया उन्होंने जनता का पैसा मार के कैसे इन लोगों ने प्रॉपर्टी बनाया है
Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of Mamata Banerjee, is going through testing times. In a fresh blow, the Enforcement Directorate has named Abhishek Banerjee in a remand copy that claims over 1,300 crore rupees was illegally generated with the support of politicians in West Bengal. India Today has accessed the ED's application for remand of suspect Ashok Kumar Mishra that makes the claim. The ED claims the prime suspect, Vinay Mishra, is a close aide of Abhishek Banerjee. This just comes days after an explosive audio tape surfaced, naming Abhishek Banerjee as the ringleader of a corruption syndicate. The tape claimed Banerjee received 35 crore rupees every month as part of the cut money.
इसको अच्छा बोल सकते हैं कि भाई ये एक फिक्स इनकम आ रहा है हर महीने, कितना मोटा मोटी कितना वहां तक पहुंच जाता था, उस तक कितना पहुंच जाता था अभिषेक तक 45 लास्ट 2 साल 2.5 साल 35 बिल्कुल लग रहा है उस तक पहुंच जाता था हर मंथ। बाकी जो यानी कि वहां तक डिलीवरी कम से कम 35 तक हो जाता। अशोक मिश्रा आपको उसके पास एग्जैक्ट फिगर वही देता था साहब के साथ लास्ट 2.5-3 साल से 3 साल से अशोक मिश्रा है 3-4 साल हो गए।
All this has made Abhishek Banerjee a prime target for the BJP, which is making an aggressive bid for power in Bengal.
महामिलावटी लोगों, भाई भतीजावाद बहुत हुआ।
मोदी जी ने 10,000 करोड़ रुपया भेजा, कुछ मिला है क्या आपको? ये भतीजा एंड कंपनी चाव कर गई है, भतीजा एंड कंपनी चाव कर गई।
The ED investigation is turning into an embarrassment for the TMC. At a time when Didi is facing a formidable challenger in Bengal, is her nephew turning out to be the Achilles heel of Mamta? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.